So let's be real, our postures all look like crap. We've been sitting for long periods of time, not knowing what to do with our lives. We don't want to even drink a cup of water anymore, or drink coffee anymore, because we're just pasted to our seats all day long. So today we're going to be talking about how to address some of these postural issues that we have. But before we get right into that, let's talk about posture in general. And a lot of people say, hey, there's one correct posture and there's, bad postures. And that's not necessarily true. You can spend some time in quote unquote bad postures, but what you really want to do is kind of move in and out of postures. So your muscles crave movement, and if they don't get any movement, they're going to be pissed. And that's why you have tightness. If they don't get the movement, they're going to complain and give you tightness. They're like little kids, little gremlins. You don't want that. So you really want to keep moving and move maybe every 30 minutes. Get up for a drink of water, go grab some coffee, do whatever you got to do to continue that movement. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing is a hip flexor stretch. Now, the hip flexors tend to be a group of muscles that get tight pretty often especially people that sit down for a long period of time, just because your hips are essentially in a flexed position for a long period of time. So we really wanna stretch that out. Maybe do the stretch for a minute or so, and then switch legs, and I'll do that maybe twice. So do 2 minutes each leg, oscillating from 1 minute to 1 minute on each leg, and that should be good enough. The way you get into this is you just get a pillow, put it down, put your knee on it, and then put your foot against the wall, and you really want to focus on creating a posterior pelvic tilt. This tilt is going to make sure that your spine is in somewhat of a neutral spine. All right, there's no perfect neutral spine, but we really want to tilt that pelvis to get that good stretch in the front. Now, to make it more intense or less intense, all you got to do is move the knee that's on the ground either further away from the wall that you're on, or a little closer if you want to intensify it. So if you want to intensify, a little closer. If you want less intense, you move a little further away from the wall. All right. Now, the second stretch that you're going to be doing is not necessarily a stretch, more a movement. I just lied to myself. So this movement is you're gonna get down to all fours, and you really wanna stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. And that's gonna be your starting position. And here you really wanna think about exhaling through your mouth as much as you can, like you're blowing out of a straw, and create that posterior tilt at the same time. Once you have that position, lock it down, keep it there, and then you're gonna slightly move forward onto your wrist a little more. So you're gonna move your shoulders forward, and this is gonna be the position we're gonna work in. From here, we're gonna inhale as much as you can through your nose, and then exhale like you're blowing out of a straw, and really engage that core. Make sure you're engaging that core at all times. Really keep exhaling as much as you can, and really feel that core turn on, all right? So as you inhale, you really want to make sure to inhale into the back of the upper back there, right? You're going to feel a little bit of tightness, but that air and that compression is really going to open up your upper back and kind of alleviate some of that tightness. All right, the last thing we got is to get off your seat and do something fun. Honestly, get off your seat, go dance, steal some of my moves, and just have a good time. Sometimes just sitting for a long period of time can be a little depleting on the ego, on the soul. So just get up there, put some music on, and just jam it out. All right, if you like this video and you want to show me some love, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Peace.